Tired of dreaming about financial freedom and ready to actually earn $100 a day? Let's dive into exactly how you can make that happen using Copecart. First things first, head over to Copecart.com and create your free account. It's super easy and takes just a couple of minutes. Copecart is an awesome platform for finding digital products to promote as an affiliate. Now, the key is to choose the right products. Don't just pick anything. Look for products in a niche you're interested in and that have a good commission rate, ideally 40% or higher. Do your research. See what problems people are facing and find products that solve those problems. Copecart usually shows you stats like average earnings per sale. Pay attention to those. Next, target your niche effectively. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Focus on a specific audience. For example, instead of just weight loss, target weight loss for busy moms. This makes your marketing efforts much more effective. Time to get that traffic flowing. Content marketing is your best friend. Create blog posts, videos, or even social media content that provides value to your target audience. Think tutorials, reviews, or helpful tips related to the products you're promoting. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Engage with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Share your content and promote your affiliate links. But remember to be authentic and provide genuine value. Run polls, Q&As, and engage with your followers. If you're ready to invest, consider paid advertising like Facebook ads or Google ads. This can bring targeted traffic to your offers quickly, but be sure to track your results and optimize your campaigns for the best ROI. It is also very important that you do not overspend. Finally, optimize your sales process. Create compelling landing pages with clear calls to action. Test different headlines, images, and button colors to see what converts best. Also, build an email list to nurture your leads and promote your offers. Making $100 a day with Copecart takes work, but it's totally achievable. Pick the right products, target your niche, drive traffic, and optimize your sales process. Now get out there and start earning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks.